We got Marcus in the building with his tractor trailer over here, fucking monster truck. So he's gonna come help me.
Rusted out semi over there.
He's gonna help me put the trans in, and I had to pay him with some donuts, you know. He already ate 2 of them, so I'm just kidding. I ate 1, but we're gonna try to muscle this thing in with a trans jack, and then waiting for some seals, and fucking hopefully it runs good, because man, should not be rebuilding this thing 17 times, so we'll see what happens.
Okay. Can I grab it by this? Yeah. Big old shaft.
Oh, big old shaft.
What's that? Yeah.
It's going on the wheel. You should put it there. Once we get the trains. That's why because the front end is so high, it doesn't slide under all the jack stands in the back. It's so good. Yeah, usually I put the trains up on the thing. Woo! Instead of the liquid cooler. I don't have a.
Want to capture that more? Or hold that anymore?
Yeah.
You don't have to buy it. No. Okay, great.
Alright, we're back in business.
We're back, baby.
I hired this guy off the side of Home Depot.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I was standing there looking for a job.
Wow!
Likes that wrist
Holy
action.
moly!
I know.
Where'd you learn how to do that?
A lot of late nights in the garage by myself.
We got the trans in.
Alright, it's torqued. Next.
Hold on, guys. He's making me making me rush here.
Rush. Fucking, we've been at this for fucking 3 hours, bro.
It's because we've been talking and eating Boston cream donuts.
All the donuts.
You're probably wondering, like,
You wanted me to tighten them, right?
Yeah. Just so like 6 foot-pounds of torque.
Yeah.
Maybe like half a Ooga Dooga.
Yeah. A little bit more. Oh wait, right there. Yeah, that's good.
So we got the trans in. It was a pain in the ass. We can't. I gotta take the pan out and put the Tecum in, and because we're missing a seal that'll come in tomorrow. And then yeah.
That's the rounded bolt.
Thanks to Marcus, fucking made my life 10 times easier.
He's got a blown out back.
Holy crap!
Blown out back over here.
Dude, you're gonna burn the handle on my ratchet.
It's starting to catch fire.
But yeah, so shout out to Marcus here for coming in clutch to fucking help me. I would have been struggling and cursing, and I would have been 17 beers deep and not doing it. So
just wanted to watch me use the ratchet.
Yep. You're probably wondering why we turning the crank, the flywheel through here. It's because my intercooler piping is on the way right in front of the bolt. So that's where we're at with that.
I just want to double check them quick.
Yeah, hold on. Oh, that's cool. That's actually pretty cool.
All scrap shit I had laying around, so.
Dude, I like that.
Seals, but yeah.
I like that. And the hole is in the bottom too, so like it sucks. Yeah.
Yeah.
Man, I got some smart friends, let me tell you. Hey, at least he did bring a BMW. Cole with the goods. My boy got the goods. Look at this guy, tinted. He's got the extra 35i. Man, you could have bought an M? Fuck, cheap fuck, dude. Cheap fuck. Yeah, appreciate it picking up the pizza. What do I owe you?
$160.
Alright, cool.
That was gas money. Putting race gas in there.
Put some fucking $9 a gallon.
I don't know why I'm reaching. I just had 5 eggs and 2 toasts right before I came. Delivery man gets pizza before he even.
Dude, why are you so dark in my camera? Look at this. It's almost like we didn't unlock the character yet.
Hey, they call me Emiliano. right from Uruguay.
He was so dark a minute ago.
Bro, it was a shadow.
I want to see myself, but I can't look at the camera at the same time.
Listen, don't eat Indian food. You're gonna end up like this guy.
Him. Dude, don't eat Emiliano's pizza because it just makes you blow out.
Nah, there's no way that thing digested that quick.
You would be surprised.
Yeah, you'd be surprised all that lactose
I'll be
in
out
there.
back fertilizing the yard.
Yo, you wearing a Volkswagen shirt?
Hey, like that? Made that shit in 2015.
Wow, dude.
Yeah. With a direct-to-garment printer, and then
He
all
was
fades away.
one of them dub dudes, you know.
I did.
He'd be like, what's up, dude?
Mom, my Volkswagen Cabrio, my first car. Big vape guy.
Dude, I knew. Fucking.
Nah, the vape was when I got my WRX.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
We get out of my house. We can't be friends.
Big box mod.
I don't allow Subaru people in my house.
And my box mod had a little Subaru logo on it. I uploaded it from my USB.
Oh, probably. It's nice now. Alright, so the angles were right, except it was shifted to the left a little bit. So I think that's my problem. And we're just going to go with that. I also need my drive shaft to be extended about an inch. So we're going to get a spacer made by my boy. And then we should be alright. Wow, it sounds like, look, I guess the new gasket on the intake manifold is not working. Well, we got third, we got fourth. Fifth. Moment of truth. We lost 6 last time. We got 6, baby. Let's go. I did it, boys. So far, so good. This feels good.